Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about AliDropship. Alright, let's begin. First of all, AliDropship is a platform that helps you set up a dropshipping store. You can either go for a ready-made store and customize it yourself, or even start from scratch. The platform offers great flexibility when it comes to dropshipping. Now, let's talk about the 3 pros of AliDropship. First, you get a turnkey solution. This means you can launch a store with very minimal effort. Even if you have no prior experience, you will have no problem getting started. The second pro is that you can copy successful stores. This allows you to save a lot of time figuring out what sells in the market and helps you get your store running faster. The third pro is that it automates a lot of the boring tasks like order processing and inventory management. This means you will have more time to focus on growing your business and scaling your operations. Next, let's discuss the 3 cons of AliDropship. The first con is that pricing starts at $299, which might feel a little expensive for some people. It's a steep price to pay, especially for those just starting out. Another downside is that AliDropship does not have a refund policy. Once you buy, you're in for good, so it's important to be sure about your decision before committing. The last con is that you might find it tricky to use with other platforms. The platform can limit your options as your business grows, which could be an issue if you want more flexibility down the road. Now, the big question is, why choose AliDropship? Despite the downsides, if you're all about AliExpress and want a smooth process with solid support, AliDropship could work for you. In conclusion, AliDropship offers a streamlined and effective solution for launching and managing a dropshipping store, but it comes with some limitations. It's perfect for beginners who want a turnkey solution with automation, but the lack of a refund policy and limited platform flexibility might not be ideal for everyone. So that's basically all about AliDropship. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.